Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of supply chain and logistics management using Airtable. Airtable is a highly versatile tool that can make the complex process of supply chain management simpler and more streamlined. Our first step is setting up our base on Airtable. We start by creating a new base, then name it appropriately. Something like Supply Chain Management 2025 should work. The reason we do this is to ensure easy identification of our project. Now that we've done that, we can add tables to our base. Each table can represent a different aspect of our supply chain. For instance, we might have tables for inventory, orders, suppliers, and customers. This helps us because it allows us to organize and segregate data according to its relevance. Next up, let's populate our tables. We'll add records to each table. These records can be specific items in our inventory, individual orders, suppliers we work with, or our customers. This step is key because it forms the basis of our supply chain data. Now, let's link these tables together. We use Airtable's link to another record field type to create relationships between our different tables. For example, we can link an order to a specific item in our inventory and a specific customer. This is crucial as it helps us track the flow of goods from suppliers through to customers. Once we've established these links, we can leverage Airtable's powerful features like views and blocks to visualize and analyze our data. We can create different views for each table depending on what we want to focus on. For instance, a grid view for our inventory can help us keep track of stock levels. Similarly, blocks can provide analytical insights like a quick overview of our sales performance or patterns in customer behavior. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As we build our base, we're creating a dynamic, interconnected system that mirrors the complexity of a real-world supply chain. Every new piece of data we add or modify adjusts the entire system, allowing us to maintain a current, accurate picture of our operations. There you have it, a quick guide on using Airtable for managing supply chain and logistics. Remember, the power of Airtable lies in its flexibility and interconnectivity, making it a robust tool for managing and analyzing complex supply chain data. Always keep experimenting with different features and configurations to find what works best for your operations. Thanks for watching and happy managing.